Hey guys, welcome back to the 𝐷𝐷𝐵 Snoring channel, where we provide tips and solutions to help you finally say bye-bye to snoring. In this video, you are about to discover some proven remedies to stop snoring that can start working as soon as tonight. So if you or someone you know have a snoring problem, then you need to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you. But before we get to the remedies, you need to know what exactly is causing you to snore. A simple snoring test can provide this answer for you, because until you know what is exactly causing you to snore, you won't be able to adequately treat the problem. At 𝐷𝐵𝐵snoring.com, we offer a free snoring test that you can do to find the culprit. So after you watch this video, head over to 𝐷𝐵𝐵snoring.com to take the test. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon, as we will be providing you with new tips and strategies to finally say bye-bye snoring. Now let's get back to the meat of today's video. Proven remedies to stop snoring so that you and everyone around you can start sleeping comfortably. Remedy number 1. Try sleeping on your side. If you are a stomach or back sleeper, then simply making a switch and start sleeping on your side can provide instant relief from snoring. When you sleep on your side, your tongue doesn't fall back in your throat, and as a result, your airflow isn't compromised. So sleeping on your side is a great way to prevent snoring without spending money on a snoring device that you may not need. Additionally, you can also place a pillow between your legs for maximum comfort. Remedy number 2. Clear your blocked nostrils. One common overlooked cause of snoring is stuffy nose. If your nostrils are blocked when you sleep, you are almost guaranteed to snore as air tries to force its way through your nose. The best remedy for this is to try to clear your nostrils before you go to bed. A few things you can do to clear your blocked nostrils includes taking a hot shower, drinking some peppermint tea, or inhaling the fumes from peppermint oil. Or you can mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink that, and that'll help reduce the nasal congestion. Remedy number 3. Use an anti-snoring pillow. Take the Snoreless pillow, for instance. This pillow has a big indent that is engraved right in its middle. This dent is to support your neck, making it easier to breathe during the night, thereby fixing the snoring problem. It is worth noting that the majority of snoring complaints are due to blockage of airflow into the lungs through the neck. As such, by improving this flow, the Snoreless pillow goes a long way in addressing an otherwise overwhelming problem. What can you do now to put an end to snoring? Depending on your results from performing the snoring test, the remedies in this video could provide complete relief. However, in more severe cases, you may need to try an anti-snoring device. So I suggest that you visit 𝐷𝐵𝐵snoring.com or click the link in the description below to download my free snoring test to diagnose the type of snorer you are so that you can find the right solution to your specific case. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts.